Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I had a viewer questioning about how the Honda Clarity turned out, and I just wanted to make a quick little video to show him how it turned out. Now the car's kind of dirty. I'm just kind of in a hurry with this video just to make good on my commitment that I would show him how it turned out after it was in the body shop. So let's get to it. So the body work came out beautiful. Now there was no damage on this quarter panel per se. So really there's nothing to look at here. Now they did remove the quarter window glass, had a glass shop do that so that they could blend the paint, and they blended the paint very well. So top of the trunk lid, which the trunk lid is new. Let's look across it from an angle with the glare on it. You can see that it's nice and shiny, and so is the side. It matches the quarter glass good. Fit and finish just like it was when it was new, just like it was when it was new. So this bumper skin is new, and you can see that the paint looks good. They replaced my backup sensors, of course. So I'm gonna have to review this video and see the detail of the paint shows up. So when you open the trunk, the new trunk lid looks absolutely just like it did when it was new. All the detail, all the little plugs, all the bumpers, all the bump stops. And they did a nice job. So down here, looking down here, I did take this panel off and inspect it, and it looks just like factory. This piece that everything goes to is brand new. So you take a look at that paint and that new bumper, and it looks like Honda paint. It looks like Honda paint. Oh, let me take a peek in here. So down here, you got your cover where everything goes, and it fits nice. And I have storage down here, my jack, my battery jumper box, some tire patch kits and stuff like that. That came out good. So there is no witness marks of anything that shows anything. The trunk has a little squeak in it. Well, not right at the moment. Closes nice. In fact, it closes real nice. Sorry about the loud noise on this street. It's a busy street. 2 fingers, closes with 2 fingers. And the paint is looking good. There was only one little spot on here that I wasn't happy with, but all in all, it looks so good, I didn't want them to mess it up trying to fix it. I walked by it several times and never saw it. But now that I saw it, I know where it's at. But if any of you have ever had things fixed and they don't end up as good as they were before you started, you know what where I'm coming from with that. So this vehicle turned out wonderful. I'm very pleased.